Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss about the topic of DC power supply. I think you people know that what is AC and what is DC. AC means alternating current and DC means direct current. Now we are discussing about DC power supply. DC means direct current power supply. This is a complete DC power supply block diagram. These are the blocks: transformer, rectifier, filter and regulator. We know that electrical energy is available in the form of AC, which is alternating current, which is 230 volts and 50 hertz. But most of the electronic devices requires DC power supply. So this DC power supply will be in the range of 5 volts to 25 volts. So it is very essential for us to understand this DC power supply. This figure shows the block diagram of DC power supply. The first block is a transformer. The basic function of transformer is to step up or step down the input voltage for DC power supply. The transformer will step down the AC. The transformer will step down the AC input voltage to a desired voltage level. So we understood that transformer can perform both step up operations as well as step down operations. But for DC power supply, we require a transformer that can perform step down operation so that we can obtain a desired voltage level. The next block is rectifier. The function of rectifier is to convert AC into pulsating DC as shown in this figure. So here the output of rectifier is pulsating DC, which means this output consists of both AC component as well as DC component. So the function of rectifier is to convert AC into pulsating DC. The next component is filter. The function of filter is to remove AC component from the output of rectifier to give the filter output. As you can see in this figure, so the function of filter is to remove AC component from the output of rectifier. The AC component that are present in the rectifier output is known as ripples. So this filter can remove a ripples from the output of the rectifier. Finally, we are having a voltage regulator. The function of voltage regulator is to produce regulated DC supply, which means it should provide the constant of input voltage even though there is a change in load current and input voltage. So even though there is a change in input voltage as well as line current, the voltage regulator maintains a constant output voltage. So we can say regulator maintains a constant output voltage irrespective of change in load current and input voltage. So these blocks will constitute a DC power supply, which is very much essential for electronic devices to produce the DC power supply. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you. Subscribe, like and share.